Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have such a board with numbers and animals. Oh no, all shapes have disappeared. Can you help me find them? Where is wagon number 1? Alright, nice. This is green wagon number 1. Who is sitting here? There is a penguin sitting here. Nice. Let's find next. Where is wagon number 2? It's orange wagon number 2. Who is sitting here? Nice. There is a parrot sitting here. Let's put it. Right. Let's find next. Where is wagon number 3? Oh, nice. This is red wagon number 3. There is a frog sitting here. Let's put it. Right. Let's find next. Where is wagon number 4? No. Oh, nice. There is yellow wagon number 4. Who is sitting here? Nice. There is a koala sitting here. Let's put it. Nice. Let's find next. Where is number 5? Oh, nice. This is blue wagon number 5. Nice. There is a tiger sitting here. Nice. Let's put it. Let's go next. Where is wagon number 6? Oh, nice. This is pink wagon number 6. Who is sitting here? Oh, nice. There is a giraffe sitting here. Let's put it. Nice. Where is wagon number 7? Oh, nice. This is white-green wagon number 7. Who is sitting here? Oh, nice. There is a monkey sitting here. Let's put it. Nice. Where is wagon number 8? Oh, you're right. This is white-blue wagon number 8. Who is sitting here? Oh, nice. There is a zebra sitting here. Let's put it. Right. Where is wagon number 9? This is brown wagon number 9. There is a rabbit sitting here. Let's put it. Nice. And last one. Where is wagon number 10? This is white-blue wagon number 10. Who is sitting here? Right. There is a lion sitting here. Let's put it. Right. There are whales. Nice. Oh, this is a bear. He is a driver. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done! Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have such a board with colored shapes. Oh no, all shapes have disappeared. Can you help me find them? Wow, look at this. Let's find them and put them down. This one. This is green shape. Let's put it. Oh, nice. This is orange shape. Right. Let's go next. This is white-green shape. Oh, you're right. Nice job. This is orange shape. Let's put it. Nice. This is white blue shape. Where should I put it? Oh, nice. This is purple shape. Oh, nice. Let's go next. This is dark blue shape. Let's put it. Oh, nice. Great job. This is green shape. Nice. This is dark blue shape. Where should I put it? Oh, nice job. This is red shape. Let's put it. Oh, nice. Let's find next. Oh, this is white blue shape. Oh, nice. This is orange shape. Great. This is purple shape. Let's put it. Oh, nice. This one. This is green shape. Let's put it. Oh, nice. This is white green shape. Oh, nice. This is white green shape again. Let's put it. Oh, nice job. Let's find next. This is orange shape. Nice. This is yellow shape. Nice. And last one. This is dark green shape. Yes, right. Nice job, you did it.